Hey guys, I thought it'd be fun if we could draw together today. So all you need is a marker and some paper, or pencil and some cardboard, or palette and some paints and some canvas, or well, really you could use whatever you want. I'm going to show you the basics of the shapes of how to draw people, the way I draw people, the way I illustrate, and then you can have fun creating it into anything at all that you want. I'd love to see what you come up with. So when you're finished, take a picture or take a little video of your process and then post it in the comments or put it up on social media and tag me in it because I really want to see what you're making. Have fun, take your time, slow down, try it 50 different times, and if you're having trouble, send me a message and I can walk you through what else you could do to fix it up. So let's work on this together, let's improve together, and let's have fun together. Alright, so we're going to start with the head. To create the head, you need to do a scoop down from the forehead up to the nose, bring it down and back. And I'm going to have this one have an open mouth. Maybe in the background you can hear Magnus singing. It's very cute and kind of weird. We pop the ear on and it's kind of triangular. Now for the eyes go lower if the character is younger and higher if the character is older. So for me, they should go all the way up here. No, probably up here. So you're drawing your parents, put them up here, kind of on where that peak happens, where that little valley is, and then lower to your younger siblings. So I'm gonna pop that there, kind of in the middle, because that way we can pretend it's kind of in the, I don't know, 7 to 11 range, depending on how we do the other features. Now you'll notice I just popped in an eyebrow. That helps with a lot of expression in the face. So now for the hair, I'm gonna give this character some styled hair that has that buzz cut on the side. I don't know what these hairdos are called. So the buzz cut on the side, and I'm just gonna do some cross hatching to do that. And then maybe some stipple to show where it's really buzzed short. Stipple, as a reminder to you, is just when we do little tiny dots. That creates shade and value. So here in this big shape that I've done, that's the swoopy cool hair, I'm going to create smaller sections. And those smaller sections make it look like we spent a lot of time on the details even though we didn't. And allows us to give some highlights. That would happen from the sunshine, since that sun is finally shining, and do a lot of cross hatching. But if you're painting it, you can just fill that in with paint. If you're coloring it, you can just color it. And you'll notice here, I just put some behind the forehead, so it looks like it does go to the other side. So it just gives it a little bit of dimension. So now we have this head, and we have the features of the face. And this character is, taking on a personality. And so I'm gonna give him a body. So I think he's gonna be waving to his friend. So I'm gonna put in the sleeves first. And the sleeve of his t-shirt is pretty much a triangle. So it comes up, it curls up here. And that just gives it some energy. So I'm just gonna give him this long arm. This arm is not true to life, and his hand is like a glove. Now you can go ahead and give him individual fingers if you want to, or just do it this style. His body comes down, his t-shirt comes down, you can give it a little curl, it gives it some interest. And the other hand is going to be kind of just down here, just hanging around down here. Maybe it's tucked into his pocket. So give him some shorts because it's finally getting warm out. And these legs are not the same width, so if I had an eraser I could fix that, but I don't, so it's okay. Give him some knobbly knees and some socks. So the socks are kind of just squigglies there, and then some running shoes. A lace that's kind of untied because that's the style. Kids hate tying their shoes for some reason. I don't get it. But I'm kind of old, so give that some shading out just a little bit, just some little messy cross hatches. And there we go, we have our style. Now you can go in and you can start to give a stylized look to the shirt and the clothes. You can give them more props, you can give them a pet. Like maybe these are like plaid shorts. He's wearing plaid and stripes, so clearly he got himself dressed. But hey, it's fun to make. So now he's waving to his friend, so we should probably draw his friend. And I'm gonna speed through this part of the video. But if you wanna see how I'm doing it, just, slow down the speed or pause it.